Well. Them bones, them skeleton. Dry bones, them skeleton. Dry bones, them skeleton. Dry bones, let's shake them skeleton bones. The toe bone's connected to the foot bone. The foot bone's connected to the ankle bone. The ankle bone's connected to the leg bone. Let's shake them skeleton bones. The leg bone's connected to the knee bone. The knee bone's connected to the thigh bone. The thigh bone's connected to the hip bone. Let's shake them skeleton bones. Well, the hip bone's connected to the backbone. The backbone's connected to the neck bone. The neck bone's connected to the head bone. Let's shake them skeleton bones. Them bones, them skeleton. Dry bones, them skeleton. Dry bones, them skeleton. Connected to
Halloween, also named All Hallows Eve, it's the night before All Saints' Day or All Hallows' Day. It is the traditional festival mainly in Europe, America, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand, but now it's becoming a celebration day for almost all around the world in 31st December every year. Usually, people would connect Halloween to strange things. A traditional thought belief that this is the night which ghosts world get closest to human. Anoka, an American city in Minnesota, is believed as the Halloween capital of the world, has one of the biggest celebrations every year. The most famous activity in Halloween is trick or treat. Kids would dress as monsters or fairs to collect candies from door to door. But now, young people are all willing to find a bar and have a drink. They were dancing and singing all night. Many bars and restaurants would have special menu dishes which are red colors in Halloween holiday. Except trick or treat, there are many other traditional activities can do. Hopping for apples, divination games and telling horror stories also are very popular games for Halloween. Every year, many cities will hold celebrations at the Halloween night. Young people, families, and travelers would dress up and play together in the city centre. Bonfire Night, or Guy Fawkes Night, is a traditional celebration day on 5th November in Britain. People will hold celebrations involving bonfire and fireworks. The history begins with 5th November 1905. Guy Fawkes was arrested because he tried to set the House of Lords on fire. People lit bonfires around London celebrating the fact that King James I had survived the attempt of his life. After a few months later, it became a public day. With the colonial expansion, bonfire nights spread to other countries. Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and some Caribbean countries also have celebrations on this day.